Welcome back. If you're joining live or watching the replay, drop where you're watching from. So far, we've covered bookkeeping, setup, reconciliations, income tracking, financial statements, and cash flow. Today, we're talking about something that can create serious penalties if done incorrectly: payroll and independent contractors. Specifically, W-2 employees versus 1099 contractors, how to classify correctly, what the IRS actually looks for. This is not something you want to guess on. We can define this clearly as a W-2 employee is someone who works under your direction, uses your tools, has set hours, and is part of your business operations. A 1099 contractor is someone who controls their work, uses their own tools, sets their own schedule, and works independently. The key thing here is you don't choose classification based on what saves money. You choose it based on control. The consequences to that are back payroll taxes, penalties, interest, workers' comp exposure, and state labor audits. I've seen businesses pay tens of thousands because someone was paid as a contractor but treated like an employee. Simply put, it's about behavioral control, financial control, relationship of the parties. Form SS-8 exists for a reason. Firms and workers file Form SS-8 to request a determination of the status of a worker for purposes of federal employment taxes and income tax withholding. The key point here is it's about control, not preference. Clearly stated, it's about withholding income tax, Social Security and Medicare, employer portion of payroll tax, federal and state unemployment, payroll filings and deadlines. Payroll is not just about cutting checks. You must collect W-9s, issue 1099 NEC by the deadline, track payments accurately, no tax withholding in most cases. The steps to follow are: classify correctly from the start, use written agreements, keep documentation, and don't convert just to save taxes. Review it annually. If you're unsure whether your workers are classified correctly or need help setting up payroll properly, I offer compliance reviews and ongoing bookkeeping support. Book a free 15-minute consultation using the link below. Tomorrow, we're talking about sales tax, what it is, when you owe it, and the mistakes that trigger audits. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, compliance protects your business.